Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily export WhatsApp chat to another phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up WhatsApp app. Then right here, first off, tap on settings to open up settings, then hit add chats, and then tap on export chat. If you have some important conversation and you want to store it at your another phone or a PC or Mac, whatever, you can just select that conversation, then select if you want to attach media or if you want to save this conversation without media files. I'm just gonna select without media, and that will export that WhatsApp conversation into zipped archive. And now I can select the way I want to save this archive. I can just hit add save it to files to save it at my device. I'm just gonna hit add save and save it to downloads folder, or I can right from here send it to someone. Let's say I want to send it via Telegram Messenger. I'm just gonna select some conversation, let it be that one, and then just hit add import. Now you can go back to chats, and you should know that export chat feature does not allow you to continue a conversation on your another device. You may just store or backup that conversation. If you want to continue a conversation on your another Android device, you can hit right here at move chats to Android, and then go through all of these steps to move your conversations to your new Android device. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.